How to start selling services on Wix. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm going to show you exactly how to start selling your services on Wix. Even if you are a complete beginner, we will walk you through every step together from setting up your site to adding your services. Now let's just get started. Before we dive into setting up things, it is important to know something about the payment. If you are offering services where people pay you directly, like cash at the appointment, you can technically use it for free. But if you want to collect payment online, meaning your customer can book and pay you through your website, you will need to upgrade a premium Wix plan. Now upgrading also unlocks better feature, so even if you start free, I highly recommend planning for upgrade later. Now let's get started. First of all, you have to create a free Wix account. After creating a first uh, of your account, what you have to do is just simply come over here, and in the top you will get to see this kind of pop-up. So there are two Wix editor. First is Wix standard editor, and the second one is Wix Studio. So these two editors are very different from each other, but I'm using Wix standard for this tutorial, and you can use it. So let's get started. First thing first, you have to log in, and after the login, you have to do is just simply click on the all site and click on the create new site. From I know I'm using Wix Studio, but I will redirect into Wix Editor. So in the bottom, you will get to see build with the Wix Editor. Just simply click over here and it will take you to Wix Editor. Now here you can start a chat and you can set up without a chat as well. Now I will recommend to start a chat, but I am right now using setup without chat. Just simply click over here. Now it will ask you to what type of business or website do you want to create. Like for the video editing master classes, just simply search. Now I will search for my niche video animation studio and just simply click on enter. Now it will preparing your my dashboard. Now as you can see here, welcome, updated your site. Now I have to enter my website name, so maker animation. Now just simply click on this continue button and it will take you to site goal. What are your goals for this website is to offer services and promote a business and build a community, and just simply click on the continue again, and again it will ask you to choose the app you would like to add. Now as you can see here, you have to add this booking schedule appointment on your site. You have to select this is important to sell your services. Just simply select this app and click on the continue. But if you don't select that app, don't worry, I will tell you how you can install that app. Now let's click on the continue to dashboard. Now it will take me to Wix uh, dashboard. Now you can connect your custom domain, but for this tutorial I will not do that. In the top right you will get to see this design site option. Just simply click over here, and then you can pick a template as well, and you can generate design with AI. I will go with design with generate a design with AI, but you can set up for now. Now just simply click on the create a design with AI. So it will take few seconds and it will create a website for me. So just creating, it will take more few seconds to make our website. Now as you can see here, he has successfully created a Wix website and it's quite good, I think. Now just simply click on the continue with the design. If you want to regenerate, you can just regenerate this design, but I'm satisfied with this result. I will just simply continue with to the editor, and it will take me to the editor. As you can see here, we are in the Wix Studio, Wix editor. The website looks great. Now, if you want to customize this website, for example, if you want to change the name of this website, just simply double click on that. It will give you option to customize it. Now, if you haven't downloaded that app into your Wix editor, so what you have to do is just simply go into left side and search for add apps, where you can search that app, which is Wix Booking. Wix Booking. Just simply search. As you can see here, I got that app. Now, if right now I have already installed that app, so I get this option. But if you are not installed this option, something will appear. Now what you have to do is just simply save this website. uh, just simply click on this say continue save. It will save my website. Now what you have to do, go back to dashboard to create your own services. Now search for catalog. In the catalog you have to search for booking and services. Now right now I'm not able to get that. So okay, in the catalog I will get booking and services. Just simply click over here. Now here you might see some example like that already listed. You can either delete them or simply create from scratch. Right now you can take an online meeting, you can give a group training, or you can create a digital animation workshop. So if you want to create from scratch, what you have to do is just simply just click in it. And if you want to create the pre-built, or you can customize it as well. Right now I will do start from scratch. Now here is what you have to do is just simply give your name of the service, edit video editing master class. Now if you want to add your image, just simply click on the plus icon and search for video editing image, and it will search the media of Wix Studio. Now select the photo which suits your services fit. Now that you can give a tagline as well, so a small sentence about your services, you can just simply add it over here. Now if you want to give a description what you offer and why client should book you, then you can add this description as well. Now you can also add a photo. As I said, just simply click on this plus icon. Now then scroll down a little bit. Then you have to give a duration, how long the service will take. For example, 1 hour or 2 hours of master class will be. So I will choose 2 hours. And if there is a buffer time, you can just simply set a buffer time. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you will get price and payment section, where you can customize your payment plans. As you can see, you will get three choices how client can pay for your services. First is per session, second is with a plan, and third is per session or with a plan. So I will choose per session. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you will get to see this price per session, where you can add your fixed price. Now I will give for fun the 10,000 rupees. Now payment preference will be entirely, total amount will be paid through online. Now if you want to add your location, you can add that. Now I will take masterclass at the Zoom, so I have to add the Zoom into my Wix. What you have to do to connect Zoom, just simply click on the add and save your services, and it will take you to this add your business video conference account. Something will pop up like this. You have to choose Zoom and click on the continue. Now it will take you to this connect your Zoom account. Click on the connect. Now over here you have to enter your password and email. I will use Google to sign up. Just simply select your Gmail and give all the permission which is asked. Now I have successfully added my Zoom, as you can see here. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you will get to see this option, assigned staff. Choose the staff member who will offer these services. Now if you have a staff member, you can just simply add it. Now if you want to create a new staff member, what you have to do is just simply click on this create new staff member. Now it will give you something like this, create new staff member. I will say maker 2. Just simply click on the save. As you can see, I have successfully added maker 2. Now if you want to manage resources for your services, once you created resources type, you can add them here to prevent overbooking. So you can add that too. Now if you want to add a cover image, you can add that. Then if you haven't edited a cover image or made a cover image, what you can do is just simply go into Canva and made your cover image to add over here. So yeah, you can add 10 images over here as well to showcase your portfolio or images. Just simply add. Now booking privacy and policy, select which policy you want to connect to this service. Now if you want to edit policies, you can edit as well. Just simply click on the edit. It will take you to editor where you can edit your policy. Now let's go to online booking. Select the form that clients fill out when booking this service. Now you can, if you want to change you can change that too. If you want to create a new form, you can create from scratch as well. Let's see, edit and form, what we can customize over here. So this is our client details, where he has to add first name, last name, phone number, email address, and so on and so forth. Then he has to give all the detail which it asks. Now let's booking request automatically accept all booking when available. Yeah, just save it. Click on the save. So we have successfully created a video editing. So as I said, to start taking booking online, you have to upgrade your plan. Now take online booking from your services, accept secure online payments, and connect your own domain as well. If you want to upgrade, just simply click on the upgrade. It will take you to his payment method where you can add the premium version of Wix. Now if you want to add a card to your website, just simply go to setting and activate. Now request payment automatically, click on the active. Now this is a workflow where it happens like automatically, so you don't need to worry about it. Just simply click on the active, so it will active. Now we have successfully automation is we have our payment automation is successfully activated. Now if you want to view summary, just simply click on the view summary. It will give you this kind of pop-up, request payment when session is booked. So it is kind of summary of this. Now if you want to change something, what you can do is just simply click on the three dots and click on the edit, so it will take you there. Now you can set up payment as well for the temporary, but it will not going to be connect, so you have to upgrade your plan. Now let's integrate this services into our website. Now go back into home page and click click on the design. Now we are in the Wix editor. Now what I will do, I will just simply add a section into my Wix editor, so I can add that created services into it. So let's give a few seconds to open the Wix editor. Now scroll down a little bit and click on the add section. From here go to add elements. Now if you scroll down, you will get to see the services booking option. In the booking, what you have to do is just simply services, click on the services list and drag that service into your section. Now it will we have successfully added our services over here, as you can see here, but the problem with this is you cannot accept payments right now just because I don't have an upgraded plan. But if you have upgraded plan, you can access the booking. Now click on the save and the hit preview, so you can preview your services. Is it working or not? So as you can see here in the preview, I can see my servicing page. Just simply click on the booking. It will tell me to schedule the service. Click on the next, click on the next, start getting booked. Now I have to upgrade. So yeah, this is how you can make your services and integrate into your website to sell your services with Wix, Wix and Wix Studio. Now you know exactly how to set up a services selling website with Wix, even if you have never done it before. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and thanks for watching.